Welcome to Rooster Roadie Travels. Today, we're busting one of the biggest myths I hear over and over. It's too late for me to travel. Well, I'm here to tell you, that's a bunch of baloney, and I've got the stories and the tips to prove it. Let's tackle the excuses. I'm too old. I have health issues. It's too expensive. I missed my chance. Guess what? None of those mean you can't travel. They just mean you need to travel smart. Let me tell you about Linda, 75 years old, never flown before, and last year she cruised the Caribbean solo. Or George and Mary, who rented an RV after retiring and visited every national park west of the Mississippi. The truth is, the travel bug doesn't care how old you are, and neither do the memories you'll make. Here's what helps. Travel with a plan and travel insurance. Choose senior-friendly options, cruises, train tours, bus groups. So if you've been waiting for a sign to finally take that trip, this is it. Your age isn't a limitation, it's a badge of experience. And travel, it's the reward. Subscribe to Rooster Roadie Travels, and let's make your next journey your best yet. Pack light, bring your meds, and don't be afraid to ask for assistance. Airports and hotels are better than ever at helping folks move comfortably.